All you need to launch your course in the beta version is your outline, which is equivalent to your mind map or your storyboard. And then a setup of the structure in the learning management system with these modules. And when you do your pre-sale, they can be empty. They can just be in draft shape. You have the modules outlined, and then the lessons in themselves can be in draft. So you just publish week by week, again, to give yourself some time to create the content. And then the pre-sale page is obviously very important because that's where people are going to enroll in your course. And then you can add a brief welcome to the course with text and or video, depending on what you prefer. And then that 3-week launch schedule that you have in the resources, and then this email campaign with 10 emails. And then you can repurpose the emails to posts on social media where you can link to your pre-sale offer. This was a little bit of the information you can get in my online course on how to create meaningful and profitable online courses. If you're interested in learning more, please visit my website and you can see what you can get by joining this class of knowledge about creating your own meaningful and profitable online course and build your reputation as an industry expert. And to reach more people, duplicate yourself like a good version of Mr. Smith and make revenue while you are sleeping. If that sounds good to you, check it out. Aloha!